cookies, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share another traditional authentic recipe of my mom, that is a goat head gravy. If you are a lover of goat head meat, you will definitely love this recipe. Let's check out and enjoy how to do this recipe. Before starting to cook, we need to do some prep for our recipe, so let's get started. We need to prepare a secret masala powder for this recipe. For that we need to dry roast some spices. So let's check out what all we needed. For that, take 2 cinnamon stick, a small piece of stone anise, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 cardamom pods and 2 teaspoons of old dhania, half teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of jeera, quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds and 5 to 6 Kashmiri dry chilies to get a vibrant color. Dry roast all the spices until it turns aromatic. And let it cool and then transfer the spices into the blender. To this, add a pinch of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then blend the spices into a fine powder and then transfer it into a bowl. For ginger garlic paste, take half-inch ginger and 1 big garlic and small piece of onion, 2 green chilies. Add it to the same blender and blend this into a fine paste and then transfer it into a bowl. Then we need a coconut paste for our gravy. For that, take 1 cup of coconut. To that, add some soaked cashews and almonds. I have used 5 almonds and 5 cashews. So blend this into a fine paste and transfer it into the bowl and keep it for a later use. Now all the prep is ready for our gravy, so let's start cooking. Heat and pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Any vegetable oil is fine. Once the oil is hot, add 2 medium-sized onions sliced and saute. Then add 3 green chilies and saute this until the onions turn slightly golden in color, and then add the ground ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell of it goes. Once the ginger and garlic paste is sauteed well in the oil, add 2 ripe tomatoes chopped and saute it for a while, and then add 1 teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute well. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add 750 grams of goat head meat into the pressure cooker and mix well. Cook this in the oil so that the raw smell of the meat goes and it turns aromatic. Once the meat is sauteed well in the oil, add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix well. Once the masala is well combined in the meat, add 2 teaspoons of our ground secret masala powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix well. Cook this mixture until the oil gets separated. Once the oil gets separated, add our ground coconut paste into the masala and mix well. Then add 2 glasses of water and mix well. Let the gravy boil for some time and then add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. At this time, check for your seasoning. If required, add the seasoning according to your taste and close the lid of your pressure cooker and cook this for 5 whistles. Once the pressure is completely out, let's check for our gravy. Wow, our gravy looks so yummy and delicious. Serve this with hot rice, chapatis, etc. It tastes amazing. The blend of the spice and the smoky flavor of the meat gives a different level of taste. So try this recipe once and you will definitely give a second try again. And yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Meet you in another video with more mouth-watering recipes. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Stay healthy, stay safe.